a nice gentleman came up with his push mower and he stated that he couldn't get it to crank over, couldn't get it to move. He says he thought he got something sucked into the flywheel. Well, I pulled the starter housing off, looked in the flywheel, made sure everything was nice and clean, no debris whatsoever, although there was sign of debris around the fuel tank. Flipped it over on its side, and it was plumb chuck of this stuff. There's about 2 inches of old grass clippings sitting there. There was nowhere for the blades to turn. It was stuck solid. So every once in a while, if it's a push mower, flip it on its side, clean out the debris. If it's a riding mower, take off the deck, clear out the debris. It will save you time and energy. It will also make your mower like you a whole lot more.